I was right near your office. You wanna catch up? I came for shopping. It's your lunch break, right? আমি অফিসের পেছনে ক্যাফেতে ওয়েট করছি। আসবি?
Hi. This place looks very expensive. Can we go to our usual chai adda?
That is chill. Today it's on me.
তুই তো পুরো চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছিস। Remember, we started together in customer support. Those long, tiring shifts.
Of course I do. That's why I left.
But look at you now. What are you up to in these days?
I joined the master's program in digital marketing course at NIHT. Now I'm working as the digital marketing executive.
Oh, wow, NIHT. That sounds cool. But what actually made the difference?
Live projects, real-time campaign experiences, and their in-house studio for shoots, podcasts, hands-on training, and Anshuman sir. It was not just a boring theory. I got exposure, I got connected to a lot of like-minded people, and the best part, I got pleased. I think you should also join NIHT and upgrade your skills for better salary. Their Saturday and Sunday batches are for working professionals. You will get network. Also, their Sunday batches have very limited seats.
Oh, that's great, yeah? Then এই weekend jabo admission nite. And what's your plan for this weekend?